What is up, my plebeian council? And we are finally back with more Chirpy the Penguin 5. It's been a while I played this game, and I know. And as of right now, I'm well aware that my looks is entirely different from when you guys originally started watching this Let's Play. I do want to mention and let you guys know that I've been editing a bunch of Chirpy the Penguin 5 videos. It's just there's so much to Chirpy the Penguin 5 that I am actually baffled by like how much game that there really is to this Scratch project. It's honestly quite incredible. I want to get that off my chest. Definitely look forward to more of this coming to you guys very soon. I'm so sorry that you guys have always been stuck in the stagnation of waiting. However, let's get into level 4 and let's get an S rank on that bad boy. We are not gonna quit. We're gonna get all those S ranks. Let's rock. Silver Wasteland 4. Okay, so I know I don't want to touch those spikes. We've got 2 gems so far. There are 3 left. Okay, so we got 3 more gems left. One of those 3 is in the hands of the spear wielder. Darn it, I died! That leaves 2 left. Wait, how am I supposed to... Wait a minute. Oh, okay. That's my bad. I didn't know better. Alright. One of those 2 gems is somewhere in this area. Why is it pushing me out when I try to dash in there? Oh, okay. Okay. Oh, whoa, hey, that's water almost. I wish I knew ahead of time. Okay, and then we kinda wanna... They knew better. Ah, the dev knew! The dev knew I was gonna try and cheese. The dev knew. Cears can't cheese it. The behemoth. Oh, gosh darn it. Yeah, this one's gonna be a tricky one when I'm gonna have to S-rank this, or not, isn't it? Okay, No! No, I hesitated! I hesitated just for a second! Ah! No. Now, I swear. Oh, I need to stop doing that. No! Why? I practiced not too long ago. I shouldn't be that rusty. Ugh. No! Oh! No! I swear, I'm gonna use the word "dope" every single time I like die, and there's gonna be like an image of The Simpsons. Actually, that might ruin the video. I probably won't do that. But, anyways, oh, okay, sweet sauce. Well, hey, this ain't supposed to do it quick, boy. This is just trying to survive. Okay, so that thing is gonna... Mother fudger. That was unfair. Okay. Oh. Okay, here we go, and... Finally made it. Okay, the next gem's gonna be somewhere here, right? Yeah, I can feel it nearby. I trust you on this. So, there's gonna be something we gotta defeat to get this gem. Yes. Okay, ready to get these gems? Okay. Me, you know, I go with the brain dead strat. Oh, hey, laser vision. Oh, hey, easy on the death stare, easy on the death stare. No, ah. Oh, this is the time. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, we're almost there. Things are going well. We've got 3 gems now. We know that the spear-wielding threat has one. That leaves only 1. I trust you, but I don't really understand why you think this person is a threat. Please don't make this harder than it has to be. Salary looks very suspicious. Cabbage face is being very odd. But anyways, as you can see, I have gotten ridiculously rusty. I got a C rank. Let's turn that bad boy into an S rank. How about that?
Quack.
Silver Wasteland. Flawless run. Alright. Come on, we got this, man. Got this. Oh, okay. Good. Perfect. Flawless. Yes. Yes! Perfect. Come on. We got this, mate. We got this. Yes! That was also flawless. Let's go. It's okay if we lose time there, because we did an insanely good job on the other part. Yes! Okay. So, you guys saw how I fought the boss at the end of it right there? Like the last time? We have to do that as quickly as we can. Well, obviously, no duh. But, like, we really gotta spam it. Like no one's business. So, let's hope for the best. Because at this point, the boss fight determines if we're getting a Nessa rank or not. This is what we need. Yes! That's an S rank! I know it is! I know it's an S rank! It better be an S rank! I swear to God! Come on! Give me that sweet baby! Give me that nice reward! Give me that god tier of a letter! The god tier of a letter! Let's go. Still got it, baby. Still got it. And just like that, we have... Why did the music cut off? Wait a minute, huh? Anyways, back to business at hand. We got 4 S pluses. That is righteous. That is righteous. Anyways, if you guys enjoyed what you saw, please leave a comment down below. Subscribe to the channel. All of that really helps it grow. I'll also be providing some other sources that you guys can go to, be a part of the community, all that kind of stuff. But other than that, you guys. I'll be seeing you guys on the next video. Bye-bye.